Karubusikaka, karumbongka, kabasarakaka, nya, rabasarakaka, kabungsangka, krabasarungka, kabasakrangla, krobosara brangsaka, zarakakakaka, kabungsikika, brosakara brangsika, wah, krobasarakaka, krambang sikireberakara, vrah, krobasakrangla, kroposara brangsika, wah, krabungsing krabasong krasakra, jah, krabasering rambongnya, krabasarong kranglang kungkay, krabasing I hate Philippines, but maybe tomorrow I change my mind, krang lang krang sikra, sopro kra, ratatata, anyways, and motherfucking by the way, I'm supposed to be Bongbong Marcos, the dragon that announced yesterday that martial law in all countries. And earlier I announced today is a very bad day for all Filipinos, and it happened. I told you I am the Dragon Marcos. Then the guy said that you watch that he is the Dragon Bongbong Marcos, but the real Bongbong Marcos is a stupid Batch 99. He even said that. Fucking stupid now, Batch 99. Because of Jean Ramos trying to be worshipped. Look at her, she's fucking ugly, and she's a fucking gang rape whore and slave that is dirty and disgusting. I hate fucking Ramoses. Fucking Tanasyo, Big Boss Bayaw, Tanasyo, tinabla mo ko, akala ko ba tayo may usapan na? Puro kayo kabulaan ng mga tao gama, fuck you kayo. Buti pa yung Tagalagon din tao gama, medyo okay. Hirap nyo kasama. O ano, baliktad pag Tagalagon salita, kaya hiyang maging Pilipino. Fuck you kayo. Fucking hate Philippines because of fucking Filipinos of Antipolo. Fucking hate you, Baba the Killer Overlord. Fucking your power is now up. I got it now. Stupid Baba the Killer Overlord. I just named you a fucking Overlord. You're a fucking gay. Remember you got fucking the ass last night? Stupid Baba the Killer Overlord. Velasco, Kapitan Velasco. Shoot, tukil ka na, di ba patay ka na kanina, ba't nabuhay ka na naman, nakuto ka na naman ng mga, you fucking destroyed my fucking Tinyangs again. Fucking hate Antipolo, I hate Antipolo, I hate Antipolo, I hate Antipolo. Fuck you Antipolo, you destroy my fucking Andrea Blight Brillantes Cruz. I fucking hate Antipolo. Fucking Antipolo. Remember, I hate you before 2021, 2022 because of Antipolo Police. Fuck you Antipolo Police. Fuck you Gangan. Fuck you Akop. Tangin ninyo. Kuya J is now from Kuya J. Hilltop is not Antipolo anymore. It's just there, but it's not Antipolo. It's coded fucking Manila and fucking somewhere else like Korea and other countries. I told you Philippines is supposed to be United States of Abida. Change the fucking name. There you're fucking paid. Fucking stupid Philippines. I hate you Lapu-Lapu. I hate you Lapu-Lapu. I hate you Lapu-Lapu. I hate you Lapu-Lapu. I hate Filipino lords. Times 141. I fucking hate Filipino lords. Magdalena is the best, but Filipino lords I hate. Fucking stupid Philippines. Why am I here? Somebody help me. I wanna escape this fucking Philippines. I don't care about this fucking house. This fucking house is cheap. I got fucking castles out there. I gotta fucking go. Those fucking Filipinos, they fucking make me a prisoner here. Supposed to be a fucking crown since fucking I was fucking young. Fucking stupid Philippines. I hate Philippines. Supposed to be crowned long time ago. Supposed to be Thailand king. Fucking hate fucking Philippines. Fuck you, Ranas. Fucking hate NPA. Do you see this? This fucking armed forces of all against fucking NPA. Today, check. 10-4 check. Okay, it's 10-4 now. All armed forces against fucking NPA. Fucking hate NPA. Fuck you, Ranas. Tangin nyo. Fuck you, Velasco. How about you, Inares? Fuck you or love you or ano? Fuck you pa rin? Fuck you kayo. Mga Inares, fuck you. Bakit patayin ko sa isilingmin ninyo? Tangin ninyo. Fuck you, Inares. Wala kayong kanta. Wala kayong kahit ano. Tangin ninyo. Hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin kayong kahit ano. Tangin ninyo. Pang 6:12. And the Lord just says, sige, siling. Sige, ha, fuck you kayo. Sige, siling. 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 Ang mang-away sa'yo, patayin mo agad, huwag ka matakot, patayin mo agad, wala kwenta mga Pilipino, patayin mo agad. Yun lang sasabihin ko sa'yo, I love you, my Empress Overlordess. Who is Celine May Morrigan. I hate Philippines because you destroy my Morrigan. She's supposed to be my soulmate, and you make her a whore, you don't know that's just a clone fucking Maggie. Fucking stupid. Philippines, I hate Philippines. Somebody help me escape. Here is 828 zillion euros times centillion digits times zillion digits to whoever helps me escape, whoever team. And you got it. Now you got the down payment. All of you got down payment, 1% of that. Help me escape this fucking Philippines. I hate Philippines. I don't need your fucking crown. I don't want to be a fucking king over here. Disgusting people. You're not gonna fucking crown me anyway. You're gonna try to do cloning. I fucking hate you, ERM. Fuck you, Doctor Del Mundo. Fucking hate you. Fucking Manila should be fucking dead. Because the Chinese out there is now really, the Ongpin is not there anymore. It's in fucking Makati somewhere in P. Burgos. Fucking stupid Filipinos. I hate you all. I hate Philippines. Forever I do. Times 141. I do hate them forever. Now Laos wins against Philippines. Fucking stupid Filipinos. I hate Philippines. Anyways, and motherfucking by the way, tomorrow is August 28th, is Coronation Day for the kings and queens and empress and emperor and others. Yes. And all those that are invited are the ones that are KHI 828 team and Triad Yauzas and Cartel Mafias and Triad Yauza Cartel Mafia Syndicate now. It's different now. Triad Yauza Cartel Mafia Syndicate. 14K is gonna be the, I don't know what 14K does now. Whatever the fuck they want to do. I'm Nefantoke, remember that. I'm Richie. Kong basara kabarang kara, brong lang kara. This is Taipei. Richie, kong basara karang kara, brong lang kara. Gengis kan krabasarak, chili malakaha. Kabasarang gabong kara, bang siyang kara. Vato say baba sa barong rang kaka. More sa kabarang kara, brang lang kaka. Dragon nefantoki sama krabalong kara. Nefantoki krabalara, krambaong saka. King sang siwe, kong sa si, krobo sarang kara. Chaang kan zuang zuki, kabang sarang kara. Krobo sarang kakang lang kakang siyang kara. The ninja creator, kraba sarang kara. Fong la siyang kara. Ninja way of Korea. I love you all. I hate Filipinos. Anyways, fuck ma. Anyways, motherfucker, by the way, it's 9:58.